So let's pretend that it's January, right? If someone would have come up to me and said by March you'd be doing your second giveaway, I'd have said you were out of your mind. From 0 all the way to over 5,000 subs in just 2 months. Blowing my mind, for real. But welcome to the second giveaway on the PC Rehab. Real quick, you are going to need to stick around for the entire video because not only is there a keyword that you need to put in the comments below, but there are additional steps that you are going to need to take if you want to qualify to win this computer. And I'll make sure you know what those steps are a little later in the video. Now, this computer design was actually something that was going to be for my personal rig back when I was designing and building what was going to be my computer. And I went in a different direction. I went with an all-white build with a bunch of white LED. But this one was what I originally had planned. And I'm excited that I get to build it. Now, it's not going to be for me. It's going to be for one of y'all. But it's still fun to put it together because it was a vision that I had in my mind that I never got to really live out. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do that in this video. So just like in the last giveaway, you are going to need to subscribe to the channel. You're gonna need to like, comment, and share the video. And it still is only for US residents. The channel is still not monetized. So this is all on me, and I cannot afford to be shipping, to India, to Egypt yet. I can't wait till we have that ability, but we are not quite there yet. So if you are from one of those countries, thank you so much for your continued support. Eventually, we will get to the point where I can ship across the world. But I am sure that you are more eager to see what's going into this computer, so let's go ahead and let's cover everything that's going to be going inside this next giveaway computer. The case we are going to be going with is the NZXT H210i. I picked this case up a while back for a different project, but it did not work out, so I'm excited that we get to use it for this build. The H210i is a mini ITX tower that is perfect for smaller form factor builds. It offers great cable management as well as 2 120mm fans at the top and back of the case. The small footprint of this case is going to be perfect for this build. For storage, we will be going with a 1TB M.2 SSD from Silicon Power. Using this SSD for our main storage will allow this computer to run lightning fast. The CPU we chose for this build is a brand new AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. This is an overclockable CPU, and it will be perfect for the future streamer in the crowd. This CPU has 6 cores and 12 threads and can deliver up to 100+ FPS in some of the world's most popular games. For our motherboard, we're going to be rocking this Gigabyte ultra durable mini ITX A520. Now don't let its small size fool you. This little board packs a punch. It supports 5000, 4000, and 3000 series AMD CPUs, has dual channel unbuffered DDR4 DIMM slots, 4 SATA ports for future expansion, onboard Wi-Fi, and a whole bunch of other goodies. This board is perfect for this build. For memory, we're going to use 16 gigs of Ripjaw DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. This is plenty to run any game that you wish. To provide this little monster with the juice it needs to succeed will be this RM750E fully modular power supply by Corsair. At 80+ gold, this power supply will run efficiently while still getting all of our components more than enough power to make sure you are never low on electricity. To keep our CPU nice and frosty, we're going to throw in this AIO by MSI. The P240 is a 240mm AIO that should make sure this CPU stays nice and cool while you're dominating your foes on the battlefield. And now, for everyone's favorite part of any build, the graphics card. We're going to be throwing in a Sapphire Pulse AMD Radeon 6700 into this tiny little case. I just hope it fits. This beast has 10 GB of GDDR6 memory with memory clock speeds of 16 GB per second. You want to play games in 4K? This card has you covered. Now, if you do want to dig into each one of these items a little bit more, I will have links down below in the description to each and every single item that is going inside this build. So now that you've seen all the hardware that's going to be going inside of this build, have you figured out what the theme is yet? Well, if you haven't figured out the theme, I'm sure it'll come together as we put this thing together. So let's go ahead, throw on some music, and let's build this bad boy. Now, before I go ahead and I show you this absolutely stunning computer, I need to tell you the keyword. The keyword for this giveaway is shadow. You need to enter the word shadow in the comment section down below. Now, there is also one other step you have to take. You need to become a member of the PC Rehab Discord server. To join our Discord server, all you need to do is follow the link in the description down below. Signing up is 100% free. Inside that Discord server, they share PC builds, memes, we have movie nights, they do trivia, they do all kinds of fun stuff, so it's a great place to be. The most important thing though is that the next giveaway winner will be chosen from that Discord server, and I will make sure that you watched the video and commented the keyword in the comment section down below. But now that all of that's out of the way, let me introduce you to Shadow. So I would love to know your thoughts on how Shadow turned out. I think that this is a sleek looking PC, and I think that this will look good on anybody's desk. Now, let's talk for a second about when a winner will be chosen for this particular computer. The last giveaway we did had a specific date in mind. Now, this one is not going to have a specific date. This one is going to have a subscriber goal. So once we hit our subscriber goal, I will go ahead and run the random generator and a winner will be picked for this computer. Now, the subscriber goal is a big one, but it's big because I think we can hit it quickly. We will give this computer away when the channel is at 15,000 subs. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but if you really think about it, this channel has been averaging anywhere between 75 to 200 new subscribers per day. So we should be able to hit 15,000 pretty fast. But thank you so much for watching the entire video. If you did enjoy yourself, please give it a thumbs up and make sure that you follow all the instructions in order to qualify to win this computer. You are going to want to make sure you stay tuned for our video coming out on Wednesday when I download some games and some benchmark software and we run through your next giveaway computer. And as always, no matter where you are in the world, I hope that you are having a fantastic day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.